My OBS settings are not even high or anything. Okay. So let's see if that change does anything. What was I trying to do? I was trying to log back in. Let me see if Charles Schwab is having issues over here, because that may be the issue. And I have not checked my performance as well. Let's see. Not really using a lot of anything. All right. What was I doing now? Come on, Street Smart Edge. Search. Hmm. Um, Pennant break, another one, any short squeeze, any short squeeze. Why am I, whoa. Why is this thing still loading in? This thing should have been up. All right, let's go over here and exit out of this. Hey, appreciate that, Jay Kratz. Appreciate that. Let me see. Do you have an affiliate link for your trading platform? I do not. It's a free trading platform, so I doubt they'll do affiliations. I actually have been looking at another platform, but I don't know if I want to make that move yet because it's actually a offshore platform. I don't know if I want to do that, especially with how things have been going around the world. Because I do not want to have to go and search somebody out. Okay, there we go. Jesus Christ. All right, so it did come down and crack the bottom of that pennant, looking like it wants to get up though. Let's see if I can play this one. Or do I want to play this one? Is this one? I don't know. Um, Hello, they're calling everyone at Met Gala hypocrites. Met Gala. Annie, new high of day. Let's go look at Annie. Woo. Now this one is ripping. Yeah. Screen's blank. Ah, you dirty dog. Ah, you. Get that screen up there before I get mad. All right, there we go. Loaded in, it just didn't load back into OBS. All right, any did get a huge rip up there. What's the purpose? Why did it do this? Has news back on the 10th. Sphere 3D hires advisor to help expand crypto mining infrastructure. Hmm. I don't know. I don't know why that's up, but it's a nice rip. I just don't think it can continue. INDP. All right. So this one's getting choppy now, and it is hitting 10:30, so the bots are waking up. The bots are waking up here. Going to 30. Let's see. Ugh, all the way up there? You think it'll make it all the way up there? That's a long way. That's a whole $10 rip, and it's not even the open anymore. And it hasn't even come down and touched the VWAP all day. I think it touched it very briefly back here, but other than that, it's been off the VWAP. What's the news that's gonna push it to 30 though? Notice of allowance. Okay, gets a notice of allowance for patent related to treatment platform of hepatitis B and HIV infections. Looks like it's getting ready to put the wings on. One Life calls that it'll be at 30 in 12 months, so a year. Okay. Look at this thing push. Is it getting ready for another of those dumps? Okay. No. Or wait, sometimes the trades that I feel FOMO on are trades that meet all of my criteria and I don't trade. But this one definitely doesn't meet all my criteria. It has a shelf registration on it. It's moving big. But this week, I specifically said at the beginning of this week, I was going to focus on the lower side, the lower price range. So I'm just sticking to my rules for this week. Doesn't really matter what it does. Even if it goes to 30, I'm like, okay. It's just good to practice following your rules. You know, if you set some, especially for just a week, like I'm just saying, hey, for this week, I got the rules set. But I feel a lot better following my rules and not making red trades than what is FPay? FPay popping up here. Oh my gosh, that thing has 500,000 in the 313. Barely got on the scanner. Let's see if we can get some continuation through there. That was a very low. But it's got to get some more. What's up? But yeah, that's too low. Let me look back at this one. This one coming back down to that trend. What do you want? Okay. Save as possible. Can I send? All right. So INDP holding up those nice levels. Y'all said it was trying to go up to 30. It continues to look like it wants to push the FOMO out of everybody. Looking like it wants to push out of that pennant there. What kind of action will it get towards the top? Definitely moving a lot slower than it was, and the volume is a lot lower than it was. So can it still get those nice pushes out here? Volume is down to 200,000 on this candle. On this 5-minute candle, my bad. One Life says rules are meant to be broken. J Crash says rules are made to be broken. One Life type faster than me. Yeah, y'all thinking the same thing. Man, I'm expecting a dump, bro. For real. But it continues to walk up this little trend line here. Okay. That work. Ooh. Also, Estimated. Estimated. All right. Goodness, man. This thing needs to fall. Everybody's waiting on it to fall. All right. So Friday is looking like I'm going out there. It's about a 2 hour drive out there from the boonies. Try to get this thing done. I gotta get this thing done and make some money. Yeah, I just really don't like how flat this thing has gotten. I mean, there's consolidation and then there's just some elongated bull trap. Any, let's go back and look at that one. What did any end up doing? Any bounced out of there. $6.76. So on the 2 minute was a nice buy-in on any from the, see a break of $6.59 up to the, it's not that much. It's a 13-cent run right there. So definitely not the explosiveness that we saw here. Hey, this thing's pushing out. Look at that break. Wow. Small little break. Can it continue up there? Just hit that top level trend line. Yeah, this is a questionable move right here. Oh my gosh. Did anybody get into this one for the ride through the pennant? Through the top of the pennant, hopefully? Because this may end up pushing on up there through that 2130. But I don't know. I'm not in it. I'm just sports casting right now. Let me see what we done. Is that direct? No. No, no, no. I want to get this feel. I get back at 5. Okay. So whatever. This thing is a slow grinder too, boy. And it's just grinding up 10 cents at a time. Will it hit the 2150? 25s disappeared off the bid. Gotta hold those 25s here. 18, 19, 20, 22, 25s, 29s, 25s back on the bid. Okay, there was some third. There we go. Woo! Oh my goodness. Yeah, this stock is doing God's work. Oh my goodness. That exploded out of there. Absolute explosion. I know Roscoe. Did you get in? You got in on that, Roscoe? 200 shares, nice. That was a 200 shares is a nice size position on this stock. Oh yeah, back at 13. Nice, nice, nice. Wow, wow, wow. What am I thinking about? What do you mean? I'm not thinking about pressing the buy button, if that's what you're talking about at all. I'm Gucci. 30, 30, 30, 30. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I said that way earlier that I wasn't gonna buy this one and burn my capital. I'm good. Go all in. Don't hesitate. Yeah. That's a strategy. That is definitely a strategy. Wow, wow, wow. Insane move right there. $4 away from the 30. That bad boy is not playing any games. One life. Never. 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 Oh boy. Yeah, I missed a trip to the moon, but I'm good. It's whatever, man. Definitely a trip to the moon, but like I told y'all, Friday, man, is my trip to the moon. This thing's about to break 28, man. That's crazy. 76, yep, 28 coming for a breakout. 2790s, just saw 2790s come through. Can we see some greens? There's 28, yep. Well, y'all said 30. Y'all said 30 and y'all were not wrong. Yes, INDP does have a shelf registration. There were profits to be had today, though, on INP, INDP, or whatever. Yeah, MSEC 30 in 12 months, 30 in like 30 minutes. That thing was, man, that thing ramped up a lot. It's all good. Good learning experience, though, you know? Not red, not green, just observing. How far will it dip back down? Well, I guess since it's the middle of the day, I might as well look for swing trades. Uh, oh boy. Still high lows giving an entry spot. Mm, behind that topping tail on the 15 minute, I don't know. Let's look at the volume here. There was 3 million traded on that last candle that pushed up. 5 million traded on this other one. 400,000 traded right there on this 5 minute candle. Oh. You actually think I'm finna press the buy button on this thing? Do you not see that rip? Man, this thing ripped. Man, I press the buy button right now. It's all backside. All backside. Talking about the danger zone. Nope. That's dead. Go look at Annie. Annie ripped up there. 50s all the way up 25 cents. What's up, Donnell? Jay Crash said Goose no. Yeah, I thought it was backside, but you can never be always right. I mean, some plays I call them like, hey man, this is backside and it dives like $3. And then sometimes you get these monster moves up. But anyway, that's how it goes. I just want to see how far it's gonna drop, if it's gonna drop. Because it has room all the way back down here to the 17 or 18, I mean 1850. Will it start knocking down those stop losses? Break of the 24.25 will be the beginning of the stop loss massacre. 24.25. What are you talking about, Daniel B? I'm just saying what I see. That's all. Or are you think it's gonna go to 40 today, Daniel B? Since I'm confused. 24.25 is the start of the breakdown. AHPI. Do we want to play that one? Very low volume. ATNM punching up there as well. What are the news catalysts for these boys? Let's see. ATNM completes a phase 3 trial to treat leukemia. That one just isn't getting any love. Oh, look, it broke 24.25. Let's see what kind of action it gets now. Wow, looking like it's getting into the 23s. Oh well, you know. Some days you win, some days you lose. What what just happened there? INDP. But for you that took profits on those, congratulations. You know, it's a good day for anybody that caught that huge nasty rip. Bounce off the 20, possibly. I don't know. Still got this trend line that is that I'm gonna leave on there. That is it followed up right here for that pennant break. Oh, now you say that, Daniel B. I didn't trade this one either, but you were talking all that noise, talking about buy, buy, buy. So you feeling just like me out here. Daniel B talked all that noise an hour ago. He wasn't even in it. Mm-mm-mm. You can't think about the price. You can't think about the motion. You can't. Whatever. Whatever, man. You're not gonna press the buy button. Don't hate on me if I don't press the buy button. They were just testing my commitment to my rules. Well, I'm committed. We're married. I'm committed. Anyway, God still love you. Capping on down there. Spy. Getting on up. I told Ben this thing was probably gonna reverse. Thing went down 4 days in a row. Couldn't break this bottom. Stupid spy. Should have been broke down. And look who's calling, Ben. I'm gonna tell him to hit me up on Discord. Hello? Oh no, I hadn't even looked at my cryptos today. Oh yeah, yeah, it was up there last night. Yeah, I got like a couple thousand shares of that. So and I added a couple more thousand shares last night, but I'm still streaming. Yeah, we were watching INDP go through the roof. Yeah, it's still going. Did you get some of that? Hey, so Ben didn't trade it either. I didn't trade it. Ben didn't trade it. DB didn't trade it, although he talks so much noise. Hey, hey, are you near your computer right now? Are you working on some videos? Nah. DB just wanted to hear your voice. I'm gonna put you on speakerphone so you can say hey. All right, go ahead.
Hello, my sweet cupcake darling. I know you miss me so much.
Say a hello, cupcake.
Nice.
Yeah,
Keep
but
keep an eye on BTCS too, man. I'm telling you.
BTCS, I don't even BTCS. Let me see what that's
Keep an
doing.
eye on that boy. I'm telling you.
It went down. It went up there and hit. Boy, you're echoing. It went up there and hit that 11, and then kind of lunched back down real quick. So I don't know. Yeah, DB said, my phone sounded like an opera voice. Your voice through my phone sounded like an opera voice. But he says, hey, he says he loves you. Yeah.
I'm gonna look at BTC. So it popped up today to 11?
No. It popped up yesterday, but I said it came down to that 8. DB said, BTCS is for hillbillies.
Okay. And what's your point?
Yeah. I don't know, man.
No, man, it's at 850, man. That's good. That looks good.
Right now, I'm watching AHPI rip out of the.
The eyes back ripping again?
Yeah, it's almost to a million shares traded. It hit the it came down to the 200 moving average, but bounced back up. The 200 moving average was at the 570, or it didn't really hit the 200 moving average. It stopped around that $6 range and then popped off that.
Hmm. So interesting moves. The spy still dropping? I know the spy was
Man, the spy's reversing. I told you it was gonna reverse.
I said it will. I said more likely it was going to reverse, but just how many more pumps does Jerome Powell have left in him?
I don't know.
And I think that blue pill's about to start wearing off.
Maybe we'll
Just
see.
like just like the vaccine efficacy.
Yeah, only 3 months, man. Fall off a cliff.
You have to get this vaccine that only lasts 3 months. Bro, our government's so stupid right now.
Bro, you about to get me banned off YouTube.
That's one thing on your channel. Your channel's not monetized yet. I gotta watch what I say on my channel.
AHPI just launched up to the 770. It's continuing to just haul up.
Stream, man. I was just calling to tell you check on that crypto because cryptos are starting to run. Bitcoin's up to 48.
Bro, if that crypto pops, I'm gonna be very, very good on the year.
I think you're gonna get it, man. I think
Yeah.
you're gonna get it. Bitcoin test 50,000. It's over.
Yep.
Uh,
All right. Yeah. All right, man. I'll catch you later. All right. Later. Bye bye. All right. So AHPI came up here. What was the reason for AHPI popping today? Just no reason. Let me go look at the news on it. All right. It has news from 2 months ago. I'm not interested in that. What was the other one? All of those look kind of sickening right now. Whatever happened to INDP? Starting to crack down that trend line there.